Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have in a BMW 730 LD. So it's a long wheelbase one. It's a big old car and this one has a knocking noise, and I'm going to show you exactly how to diagnose and how to find it. So we've got the BMW up on the ramp here, and the noise is, as you're driving down the road, it's going donk 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 donk. So the customer thought he may have had an exhaust that was hanging down or something like that, but nothing wrong with the exhaust here. And obviously I've already pre-checked everything so I can find the noise for you guys. So over here, the most common is the anti-roll bar links. So this anti-roll bar here, it's got a join and a little bar that goes up to the shock absorber, and they knock. And this side's fine, but this side, can you hear that? So all that is inside here, the joint is now just worn away. And as it's going over the bumps with the weight of the car on there, there's obviously a lot more force involved. So the knocking noise is a lot louder and it comes through the car, very apparent. So what we're going to be doing today is just taking this off here, which is this nut here and another nut up the top, and we'll take it off and I'll show you exactly what it is and how to replace it. So this is the little setup that you need for your anti-roll bar link. 18mm ratchet spanner, a 10mm spanner and a 40mm Torx bit to go in the end, which will hold it steady whilst you undo the nut. Some of them have like a 17mm spanner slot on the back, some have nothing, some are so fucked that you have to cut them off. But this one shouldn't be too bad, so we're gonna go ahead and undo both of these, and then I'll show you what it looks like on the bench. Okay, so we've undone our two 18mm nuts, and now we can just pull it out of its little holes and just pop it on the bench. So this here is your anti-roll bar drop link, and what's happened is inside here these little nylon bushes have worn away and they're causing it to knock. So we're going to get a new one of those, chuck it back in, and then I'll show you exactly the same test to show that the knock-in is now completely gone. Okay, so now we have our new part that's just arrived. So we're just going to check that it's the right size, which is perfect. We've got our new nuts, and this one takes a 5mm Allen key in the end. So we'll use that. So we're going to chuck that back up now, and then I'll show you that the knock is now all gone. Okay, so now that's all on and tight. We'll do the same test we've done before. We're just going to grab the anti-roll bar, and now that is absolutely solid. So that knocking noise will now be gone. Well, that's just a short video on how to diagnose a knocking noise on this BMW, but many vehicles, anyone with an anti-roll bar drop link, that can be the same. They're pretty much the same across most vehicles. And it's an easy one to check. You can check it at home, or you can get your local garage to check it. But that is a cheap, easy fix for said problem. So if you like the content, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.